Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the measurement of weight here. Now measurement of weight. This is a rigid body and attached to the string. Here this is spring and quoted related this scale and this is the block. Now at the equilibrium positions, in the equilibrium positions here block tension T creating this string here and weight mg in downward at the equilibrium position. In this case, tension T is equal to the weight of block. Here tension decides the reading in this case, and we measure with the help of scale mass of anything. Here reading is equal to tension by G, and tension by G here. This is mass in kg. This reading gives mass in kg. We can say that mass of block is equal to T by G. This unit is in the kg. Now we use the weighting machine here. This is a block, and in this case spring attached to this, and in the other side scale. If we put the block in this case so that the depression in this screen, that is tension created in the screen at the equilibrium positions. Here normal force acting upward direction is equal to the weight of this, so that we can write N equal to mg, so that reading is equal to normal force by G, and स्केल यह स्केल जो है मास के लिए डिजाइन रहता है. इस पर किसी भी चीज को रख करके, किसी वस्तु को रख करके हम उसका वेट की गणना कर सकते हैं. Now we take the example 1 here. In this case, this scale A and this is scale B, and this is a pulley passing through one string attached to the 4 kg, and other side of this string attached to scale B, and this is attached to 12 kg. Both the scale are light. It means that light means हल्का. दोनों स्केल जो है हल्का है. What is the reading in the scale A and scale B? स्केल A और स्केल B कितना इस बल्ब का द्रव्यमान बताएगा, इसकी गणना हम करेंगे. Solution. Now this is a rigid body. We are attached to this is scale A and this is a scale B. This is a pulley passing through one end 4 kg attached and other end 12 kg attached. Now we have to calculate the scale this tension. In this case, tension T equal to 3 mg by 2. In the previous video, we have to calculate such type of situations. In that cases, the tension created in the string, so that here tension in this string is 3 mg by 2. Now we take the we take this scale here, tension T in upward direction, and this is a tension in the downward direction here, so that reading is equal to T by mg, and T is also we calculate the tension in previous video. T is equal to 3 mg by 2 divided by G and G cancel 3 by 2 m. This is a reading here. In this case, tension created by the 4 kg mass, so that putting m is equal to 4 kg, so that 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6 kg, so that scale B, so the 6 kg, and scale A, this is tension in this scale, where 2T and 2T equal to, as here tension in one string is 3 mg by 2, putting 3 mg by 2, 2 cancel 3 mg, so that reading in this scale is total tension by G and 2T by G, 3 mg divided by G cancel 3 m. Now putting the m is equal to 4, in this case 4 3 are 12 kg, 4 3 are 12 kg, so that reading, so that scale A, so the reading 12 kg. Now example second here, light and massless pulley. This is a pulley, light means हल्का और massless, इसका द्रव्यमान बहुत कम नगण्य है. As well as light and massless string, and the string that attaches to the block, that is also a massless and a light and हल्का और बहुत कम द्रव्यमान का है. अब mass m1, this is a block, m1 mass is 10 kg, and this is block 2, m2, that mass is 5 kg. Then we have to find out acceleration in this string here, acceleration of this, and tension in the string, and force applied by the support of pulley. And this is a pulley, that supporting force, force that applied by pulley where the string passing through it. Now this is a pulley, and it moves with acceleration a here, because here mass 2, and we take the free diagram here, mass m1, here tension T attached to here, in this case because block to pull in the backward direction here, so that net force T is equal to mass into acceleration by Newton's second law. Here mass is m1, and that is 10 kg, and a is the acceleration of this, so that T is equal to 10a. This is the equation 1. And now we take the mass 2 here. This is a free diagram 2. Its mass is 5 kg, so that weight is downward 5 here, downward 5g. In this case, and normal force that is acting, that is a tension force. Now here in this case, and this is a normal force, so that 5g minus t equal to this block move downward m to A. M2 is a 5 kg, 5 and A. Now adding 1 and 2, here T and T cancel, 5G equal to 10A plus 5 by 15A, so that A equal to 5G by 15 and G by 3. This is the acceleration in this string here. Now this is the first answer. Now tension in the string, as we here calculate the tension in the string is T, that is equal to 10 as tension 10A, A is equal to G by 3, so putting G by 3, and G is the acceleration due to gravity, its value will be 9.8 meter per second square, but in generally we use 10 meter per second square, so that G equal to 10 meter per second square, 10 times 100 by 3 newtons. This is a tension. Tension is a particular type of force, so that 100 by 3 newton. This is the second answer, tension in the string. Now we have calculated force applied by support of pulley, force applied by support of pulley, tension T, and here now free diagram of the pulley. Free diagram show that tension T here and T here. This is the resultant force. Resultant force. So that resultant force equal to T square plus T square 2T square. So that T root 2 and T equal to putting T equal to 100 by 3 Newton. 100 by 3 Newton, so that 100 to 2 by 3 Newtons. Now this force is here 45 degree. We can write with the help, we take the sine 45 degree. We also calculate with the help of this or the Pythagoras theorem here. The resultant force is equal to 100 root 3 by 100 root 2 by 3 newtons. This is the answer of the third question. Now we take another example here. Example third here. This is a pulley and string, one end is mass M1, other end is mass M2 here, and in this case find out acceleration. Let us suppose that here M2 greater than M1, so that its motion is in this direction here. Now we calculate for the block M1. We take the block M1, make the free diagram here. This is M1 and M1G. This is weight in downward direction and it move in this direction, so that acceleration create here, and the force M1G cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, so that this is one part of this is M1G cos theta, and this is M2G sin theta, and tension force create in this direction, so that we apply the Newton's second law, move in this direction, so that T minus mg sin theta equal to mass into acceleration, mass m1 into expression a here. This is the relation first. Now we write the free diagram of block M2 here. In this case, this move in downward direction, acceleration is downward, so that M2 this is a greater, so that M2A minus T tension force create in this direction here. Here, in this case, M2G minus T is equal to mass into acceleration, and M2 into A, adding 1 and 2, T and T cancel, M2G minus M1G sin theta equal to M1 plus M2A, so that A equal to, in this case, G take common, M2 minus M1 sin theta into G divided by M1 plus M2. This is the acceleration of the block here. Now, thus M2 greater than M1 sin theta, M2 greater than M1 sin theta. Now, if M2 less than M1 sin theta, in this case, M2 less than M1 sin theta, so that block move in this direction, this comes in up down, and this is in this direction. If M1 and M2 is equal to M1 sin theta, in this case, motion does not create, then position of block remain the same. That is a motion does not create. It means that if M2 बराबर M1 sin theta, so that motion does not create. Now we take another example here. Example 4 here. If M1 equal to 10 kg and M2 equal to 8 kg, attached with the string passing through the pulley, and this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Now, so that find out acceleration and as well as direction of the motion of this block here. Now, this is the block here, M1, this is M2, this is the pulley, and we write here free diagram of block A. This is a block A, so that its weight in downward direction M1G, and resolve it in the two parts, M1G cos theta and M1G sin theta, and tension T creating the string here. And now we take the free diagram of block 2 here, so that tension T here, and this is M2G weight, it dissolved in two parts, M2G sin theta and M2G cos theta here. Now we calculate in this case M1G sin theta, force acting this direction, M1 is equal to 10 kg, G sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, so that this is the force acting in this direction is 5G, and the force in this direction we calculate here M2G sin theta, M2 8G sin 60 degree under root 3 by 2, 2 4 is 8 and 4 root 3 G, putting the value of root 3 1.732. This is under root of 3, value of under root 3 this, and we get the 6.927 G, this force is greater than this force, so that block move toward this direction here, this block, the direction of this, it means that 10 kg block move toward the M2 8 kg block here, 10 kg block move toward the 8 kg block here, direction of motion and acceleration. Now we calculate the force here. This block move toward this, so that T minus mg, this force is greater, T minus 5g here. We calculate m1g sin theta is equal to 5g, T minus 5g is equal to mass into acceleration, mass 10 into a, and in this case m2g sin theta move toward this, so that this force is greater, 4√3g minus t is equal to 8a, adding 1 and 2, this is 4√3g minus 5g, t cancel, so that 18, so that a is equal to 4√3 minus 5 by 5 and g here by 18. This is the acceleration. Find out the acceleration. This is answer. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.